Looking for a faster and easier way to achieve that perfect polish finish? In today's video, we'll be showcasing the 5 best electric sanders for quick and easy polishing. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or any other surface, these sanders are designed to save you time while delivering flawless results. We'll highlight the top features of each, so you can find the best sander to suit your polishing needs. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Flex Random Orbital Sander. The Flex 400 watts electric wood random orbital sander is a must-have tool for both professional and DIY projects. With a 400 watts motor, it provides strong, consistent power for sanding and polishing wood, metal, and other materials. Its random orbital motion ensures smooth, swirl-free finishes every time. One of the standout features is its variable speed control, which allows users to adjust the sander's performance to suit different tasks. Whether you're polishing a car or sanding a woodworking project, you have full control over the tool's speed. Weighing only 2 kilograms, this sander is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even during long tasks. It's perfect for both commercial use and home projects, offering efficiency and durability. The Flex is a reliable tool that promises precision and versatility, making it ideal for anyone looking to achieve professional results. Second product on our list, Shouyiyoupin R7304 Powerful Sander. The Shouyiyoupin R7304 500 watts electric eccentric sander is a powerful tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. With a 500 watts motor, this sander efficiently handles wood sanding, car polishing, and more. The 150mm sanding pad allows for quick coverage, making it perfect for larger areas. What sets this sander apart is its 6 adjustable speed settings, ranging from 6,000 RPM, giving you the flexibility to adapt to different materials and tasks. Whether you need to smooth wood surfaces or polish your car, the speed control helps you achieve precision and control. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver for extended use. The AC-powered design ensures consistent performance, and its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for longer projects. Perfect for DIY projects, the Shouyiyoupin R7304 delivers power, versatility, and ease of use in one tool. Third product on our list, MAXXT Woodworking Electric Sander. The MAXXT 2 20-volt woodworking corner sanding machine is the perfect tool for DIYers and professionals alike. With a 350 watts motor, it delivers powerful performance for sanding, grinding, and polishing wood, drywall, and even cars. Its no-load speed of up to 10,000 RPM ensures quick and efficient results. Featuring a 15 centimeters wheel diameter, the sander offers excellent coverage, while its adjustable speed range of 4,000 to 10,000 RPM lets you customize the power based on your project. The eccentricity settings of 25mm and 50mm help achieve smooth, flawless finishes. Weighing just 2.35 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The built-in vacuum head efficiently collects dust, keeping your workspace clean. The sander also comes with 8 sanding papers, an adapter, hose, and an Allen key. Everything you need to get started. This versatile tool combines power, precision, and convenience, making it a must-have for any home DIY enthusiast. Fourth product on our list, DEKO Drywall Electric Sander. The DEKO Drywall Sander is the ideal tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a powerful 900W motor, it efficiently handles drywall, grinding, and polishing tasks with ease. The sander features variable speeds ranging from 1,400 to 2,700 RPM, allowing users to customize the speed for different surfaces and projects. Whether you're working on ceilings or walls, this tool offers precision and control. A standout feature is the integrated LED light, which enhances visibility in low-light areas, making your work easier. Additionally, it includes a dust collection bag to keep your workspace clean and reduce the mess during sanding. At just 4.18 kilograms, the DEKO sander is both portable and easy to maneuver. With its durable construction and reliable performance, this sander is perfect for long hours of work on renovations or large-scale drywall projects. Fifth product on our list, WOYOFADA Random Orbital Sander. The WOYOFADA 125mm brushless random orbital sander is built for precision and power. Designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it delivers outstanding performance in sanding, grinding, and polishing tasks. Its brushless motor ensures longer life, better efficiency, and low maintenance. With a variable speed range of 8,000 to 12,000 RPM, users can easily match the speed to the job at hand. Whether you're smoothing wood or polishing metal, this tool adapts effortlessly. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it offers cordless convenience with strong, consistent power. At just 2 kilograms, it's lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for long hours of use without fatigue. This 125mm random orbit sander is ideal for home projects, commercial use, or renovation teams. Its compact design and customizable speed settings make it a reliable tool for detailed work. WOYOFADA delivers performance, portability, and professional results in one powerful machine.